Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So currently, as you can tell, I have a change of location. I am in Park Rapids, Minnesota at our lake house with my family. And today is a little bit rainy out, so my family decided we were going to do a editorial photo shoot challenge. So our idea for this challenge is that we're going to go to some thrift stores and put together some super weird outfits and do our own crazy hair and makeup and find some dope locations and put together our own photo shoot for our Instagrams. My sister's boyfriend is here and he does photography, and so does my cousin, and she styles as well. So if you want to see how it all goes down, then keep on watching and check out the final photos at the end of the video. Okay guys, so we are currently thrifting and looking for pieces. So we got shoes and bags. So we just found this crazy piece for $4. So we're thinking of doing a cornfield shot.
Yeah, I think that'd be cool. Yeah, that's the point.
And then here's another one we found. We're gonna work with it.
Sorts? Yeah, I like it a lot.
Definitely. So then, like running with it. Okay, that's fine. This is gonna be so cool. Yep. With crazy hair. Oh my gosh.
I like that. That's cool.
So it'll be like sculpting.
Yes.
Okay guys, so we're currently in makeup. This is the look. Boom. Alright, let's go. I want to find like a row. Like, so, you know, if you're like shooting like down the row. Okay guys, so we are at our first location and we just finished look 1. And yeah. We'll be back. How should I have my legs? Oh, there's a car.
Gotta wait for him to get behind the skirt. You're good.
Is it the sheriff?
Oh, he's just mowing.
Is this his? Maybe some closer
All the
story
work
of like the
still on.
flowers. Light hands, light hands. Heavy fingers. It's not even focused, but. Okay, so this is the look for today's shoot. We are going to shoot in this, what is it, a pond? In a pond with lily pads, so yeah. All thrifted. See the hair. Beauty, beauty. Purse, awesome. Beautiful. Anything for the shot. 3, 2, 1. Ah! We did it. Well guys, this was location for shoot number 2, and there was a leech literally on my tit. So we're gonna go see if there are any more in my body. Okay. Yes sir. Yes sir.
At the stop sign.
Yup. Just had a leech on my